My YouTube channel got monetized in August 2023, and in this video I'll show you how much YouTube paid me monthly, how much money I earned from the YouTube Partner Program in 8 months, how much money different video brought me, and how I double YouTube income using a simple method. Let's dive into it. First of all, let me show you my YouTube channel, Steve Editor. Yeah, it's me. I joined in December 30, 2022. I had just 18 videos and 7k subscribers. So let me show you my stats. As you can see, at the first video I got just 700 views, then 1k, 7k, 1k, and then I got 475k views. I'll show you detailed analytics from this video, and then I got 500 views, 400 views, 113k views, 500, almost 2k. Yeah, and as you can see, I don't have like another video that got me something like this. So let's go to the analytics and I'll show you detailed stats. As you can see, I published in January, April, June, July, August, October, November. Yeah, and in February I get 2 videos. So let's go to the analytics and I'll show you detailed stats. First of all, I want to show you my path to the YouTube Partner Program. I published this video on January, and then I published on January 2023, February, one more, and after this video, how to add captions like Alex Hormozy, my video started getting a lot of views, and it was like this. Wow, 1k. It's almost 2k, yeah, I had 2k. And in August 7, I got monetized. Yeah, finally. At that time, I had 132k views, 2000 subscribers, and for the first day, I got $2.57. And now let's take a look how much money I got for the first month. It was 7 August and 7 September 2023. Yeah, for the first month I got 113 bucks for 72k views. Yeah, and also I got 1k subscribers. It's not a lot, but it's something. Yeah, you can see here average view duration. You can see all of this video, how much views they got, and all of this stuff. This was my first revenue from YouTube Partner Program, and it's good. For the second month, as you can see, here is September 7, October 7, I got $111.81. But for the third month, I got 66k views and $200. As you can see, here I had like $2, 3, 4, 3, and then something happened. $7, $7, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7. Yeah, you can see here almost $10, and then $9.90. So how I increased my income? I have videos more than 8 minutes, and that means that I can add a lot of ad breaks. I opened analytics like this, then I opened this graph, and I saw that here I have like 26% retention. Here I have like 14, here I have like 22, and then I opened in new tab like monetization. I clicked review placement, and then I add ad breaks here and here and here and here and here, because more people was watching there. So I just add all of these ad breaks and it doubled income. Yeah. And now I want to show you how much money each video got me. For example, let's start from this video. Analytics, 22 cents. The next one, oh, I didn't have monetization. And by the way, this video is unlisted, yeah, as you can see. The next one video got me like 4 cents because I didn't have monetization. This video got me $42. I can show you RPM. It's like $5.82. And also I want to show you about RPM. One thing, this video got me like $5, and this video about Zoom, I don't have a lot of views here, but this video RPM is $8.87 and CPM is like $23. So let's go back and I'll show you this video. Revenue, it's like this, 74 cents RPM, it's not a lot. And also this video I want to show you. This is the best video. It's 1000. I have YouTube search traffic source. I have just average view duration, it's almost 2 minutes. Yeah, and I want to show you my revenue. RPM is just $2.31, so it's not a lot because of audience. I have like young audience from United States like 14%, and then India, Philippines, Pakistan, United Kingdom, so it's not a lot. Yeah, and then let me show you this video. 500 views, 33 cents. 400 views, 64. And this video I want to show you also. It's got me $460 just for 100,000 views, more than 100,000. Yeah, and I'll show you revenue. It was like this. Let me show you RPM. As you can see here, I have $4.08 RPM. CPM like $12. Yeah. And then Midjourney, this video got me 89 cents. The next one video got me $2. It's also not a lot. This video about Zoom, you saw the revenue. About CapCut, I got just $1.28. The next one got me $1. This one $1.82, and this is RPM, almost $2. Yeah, here I have $2. Here I have $1.62. Now let me show you how much money my YouTube videos make me per month. You can see here how much views I got. It was like this, and this, and how much money I got. August, $87, 100, 176, 291. It was like the best revenue that I got from this channel. $216, 208, 217, and $264. Right now I want to show you how much money I did from lifetime. Yeah, it was like this. I got 607k views, and my estimate revenue $1,600. Yeah, I can show you. It was like that, and after I did all of this stuff with ad breaks, my revenue increased, and the peak was like this, $11.77, or this, it was peak. Yeah. And also you have to know that YouTube Partner Program, it's not one way how you can monetize your YouTube channel. You can have different income sources, not just YouTube Partner Program, but also your products, brand deals, affiliate marketing, and all of this stuff. You can have more money if you will do videos, if you will do quality content. So I want to encourage you to do content. Please make quality content, and you can subscribe. I'll show you how to make quality content. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and see you at the next video.